hide from me for her 20 lousy dollars that she owes me from like well over 3 months ago. She won $600 at the Pokies at the Stokes Valley Bar, and she said to Jade and Dion, "Don't tell Karen you've seen me, because I owe her $20. I'll tell you what, I'll get my $20, or she's gonna get 20 fucking whacks. 20 fucking whacks." Not my fault she's a mental crazy lady that wanted to go off with a fucking lesbian that's now with a man. Not my fault your daughter's all fucked up, okay? Not my fucking fault. I want my fucking money.
Never seems to be a single